Hello friends, in this video we are going to create a AWT text field, then we will display that in the frame window. The AWT text fields are used to collect user input. The inputs are usually a single line of text. So below is a sample AWT text field and it will look like this. Initially the cursor will be at the left side of the text field, and once user starts typing, the characters appears from left to right. So they can enter the input in a single line. So here the text fields are not useful for capturing the multi-line input. So whatever user can specify in single line, that they can specify using these text fields. So the class used to create these text fields are text field. So this video uses the already created frame window. So if you want to know how to create a frame window, refer the playlist 04 Java AWT video number 1. So this is the video which creates the frame window, and we are going to create a text field on top of this frame window. Alright, now let us go to Eclipse for the demo. So to create a text field, we first need to import text field from java.awt package. So AWT stands for Abstract Windowing Toolkit. We already saw this when we are creating the frame window. So here is the constructor. In the constructor, we are creating a text field. Here we are providing 15. So this 15 specifies the visible area of the text field to accommodate 15 characters. So the reference is stored in txt1. Then we are calling the add method of the container. So we are going to write this code snippet 1 inside a frame window. So the add method is frame windows method. So since frame window is a top level container, we are adding the text field to that container. So the text field will get added to the container, and when we display the container here is a frame window. So when we display the frame window, it displays the text field which can accommodate 15 field. So the text field will be empty initially. Next, using a set text, we are placing some text stating type your name. So once user sees this message, they will delete the content and they start their name. They start typing their name. Alright, first we will place this code snippet 1. Before that, we need to import this package, or we can directly place this and Eclipse will add the import statement for us. So the frame window is created previously for us, and if you want to see this the frame window, here we set the size as 400 cross 100 and the location as 100 x and y coordinate. 100, 100, that means from here 100, from here 100, and the width is 400 and height is 100. Width is 400 and height is 100. Alright, so here we handle the window listener, and in the window closing we are disposing this window. Alright, now we will add our code snippet 1. Here I am creating a text field. So initially we will see this error. We have to import the package, import text field from java.awt. So this is what we want to import. So I'm just double clicking it, and if you see the text field is added here. Alright, so first we created the text field, then we are making call to add method of the frame class, or it's a super class. Then we are passing this a text one. That means the text field is added to the frame. Now if I run it, you can see that text field which appears here. Here user can type their text. Alright, now here we are setting some initial text. This is our snippet 2. So the method is set text. So using that method you can set some predefined text. So now here it shows that type your name. So user will usually remove it, then type. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.